this activity will help you organize your web browser. So as you know, this year and last year as well, our web browsers have become a lot more important for our education as we've been doing more and more online learning. And your web browser is how you access that online learning. So I wanted to go through this little presentation just to help you have an organized and efficient web browser setup. So first thing, so I opened up Chrome, and my Google Chrome, when I opened it up, actually went to my personal account. So the first thing you want to make sure you do is that you've added your Harvard Schools account to your Chrome browser, and this will allow you to switch between your different accounts. And whenever you switch, it'll carry over your extensions, your themes, and all of your bookmarks. So I've already added my Harvard Schools account, so I'm going to click on it. And as you can see, my theme changed, and those bookmarks that I had don't appear there. So let's set up our page. Now, the default web page you see over here has some of your recent shortcuts, websites that you've gone to. If you want, you can add shortcuts here, and you can work that way. I don't really like this Google homepage, and I don't really like all my shortcuts showing up there. So what I'm gonna do, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna set up our homepage, and I'm gonna set it to the Google Classroom. So I'm gonna click on the three little dots on the right, and we're gonna go to Settings. And if you scroll all the way down on Startup, you can tell Google what you want it to open up. So for this account, this is my school account. The only thing I'm doing is school stuff. I'm gonna click on Open a specific set of pages. I'm gonna do Add a new page, and I'm just gonna put Google Classroom. So that's classroom.google.com. Okay, so now if I close Chrome and then I open it back up again, it'll open up to Google Classroom. So that's the first thing I wanted to show you was how to set up your homepage. Now, what I wanted to show you is bookmarks. So a lot of your classes, you're gonna probably have tons of different websites and online tools and just a lot of different resources that you might want to access. Now, so a lot of those you can find inside of the Google Classroom. For your teacher, I'm sure your teacher will post them somewhere where you can access it. But I kind of like having everything in a bar, my bookmarks bar up here. So that's how I'm going to get organized. So I'm going to go to View, and I'm going to do Always Show Bookmarks bar. And then this little bar appears over here. Now, let's say for your biology class, you use nature.com a lot. Maybe every day you have to get an article from here. So we're going to go to the website. And once the website loads, you can click on this little star over here. This is the bookmark button. So I'm going to hit that little star, and it asks me where do I want to bookmark this. So I'm just going to bookmark it to my bookmarks bar. I'm going to hit done. And now you see nature shows up right here. So every time you open up this browser, you have that website right there. Now, let's say you also go to Popular Science. It's another website that you use in biology. And I'm going to bookmark this page as well. All right, so now I have two websites here. Now, if you can imagine, if you're bookmarking sites for all of your various classes, this is going to get very cluttered. So we want to create folders. So you can right-click anywhere on the bar, and you can do Add Folder. And now we can create a folder for biology. You can also do this through the Bookmarks Manager as well. If you prefer working that way, you can go over here and create new folders. But I just like right-clicking and using the bar. So we have a folder for biology. Now we want to put these links inside of biology. So you just drag them right in there, and then they appear. And then you can do the same thing for your other classes. So you can do Add Folder, geometry. Do another folder for computer science or comp sci, right? Now, so once you have your folder set up, next time you want to bookmark something, you can just bookmark it right into the folder. So let's say Code HS. We want to bookmark this into our computer science folder. You hit the star, and then just click down here, and then just select computer science, and then hit done. And now Code HS will appear under computer science. So, do this for all of your classes. You can have all of your icons, easy to find. If you want, you can bookmark the school website there or your school calendar. And this will help you stay organized and help you not forget links and have everything in one easy to find spot. So take a few minutes. I want you to set up your web browser, and then I want you to do a screenshot by pressing print screen and submitting a screenshot of how you set up your bookmarks bar and of your homepage. Thank you.